Hey readers, we have been talking about syllables. We know that we use syllables to decide how many beats there are in a word. Well, today we're going to learn that you can blend syllables to make a new word. Let me give you an example. My first part is going to be out. My second part is going to be side. When I put those two parts together, I have outside, outside. Those are also called compound words. So we're going to talk today about how to blend those two syllables to make a new word. Another example of that is the word sunshine. So the first part is sun, second part is shine. Put them together, we have sunshine, and it makes a word, sunshine. Let's try another one. Inside, inside, inside. That's our new word. Okay. Another one, daylight, daylight, daylight. Okay. So today when we're talking about those words, we're thinking about taking those syllables and putting them together. Now I want you to try this one by yourself. The next word that we have is upstairs. Try that. Upstairs. What's our new word? Upstairs. Upstairs, upstairs. Okay, so today, compound words, breaking words into parts or taking the two parts to put them together to make a new word. All right, boys and girls, today we're going to be listening for the initial sound in a word. And the initial sound is the first sound that we hear in the word. So today we're going to focus on the sound of S. Can you make that sound? S. Do you know what letter makes that sound? It's an S. So today I'm going to show you the word sack. The word sack has three sounds. It has S, A, and then the CK goes together to make one sound. So S, A, K, sack. The initial sound that I hear in this word, which is my first sound, is the S. So I want you to go get your red plate, your marker, and then pause this video, come right back, and we're going to work on some other words that have the S sound. So now I want you to take your plate and I want you to write the letter S. Now S makes the sound of S. So once you have your S, I want you to put your board down, your plate down, and I'm going to call out a word. If I say a word that begins with a S sound, I want you to lift it up. If the word does not have a S sound, I just want you to keep it down. Okay? You ready? Our first word is the word sun. Sun. Do you hear the S sound in the beginning? So we're going to hold our plate up. Our next word is the word meat. Meat. Does that begin with a S sound? Nope. It has the sound of at the beginning. Okay, ready? Next word, said. Said. Yes, said has the sound of S. Okay, next word, see. See. Yes, it has the S sound. Next word, man. Man. Nope, it has the sound in the beginning. Next word, sock. Sock. Sock has the sound of S. Last word, map. Does it have the sound of S? No, it has the sound. So today, boys and girls, you were working on the letter S, the sound of the letter S, which is S. When it comes at the beginning of a word, we call that the initial sound. So think about that as you are writing words and you are reading words. Think about how that letter S goes S.